In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add other income in Freshbooks. This process is straightforward and helps you keep your financial records up to date with all the sources of income you might have. Let's dive in and walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Freshbooks website. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Freshbooks dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing your finances. This dashboard is where you'll carry out most of your tasks and keep an eagle eye on your business's financial health. Once you're on the dashboard, the next thing you need to do is look for and click on the Create New Barter button. This button is your gateway to entering new financial data into Freshbooks, including other income. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. In this list, you'll want to select Other Income, which will lead you to a new screen where you can input your income details. Now that you're on the correct screen, the first thing you should do is click on Source. This step is quite important as it allows you to describe where this extra income is coming from. You might see a list of options or a field where you can type in custom information about the source. Providing accurate descriptions here is vital as it helps keep everything organized and easily identifiable. After you've specified the source, the next step is to choose the income type. Categorizing your various streams of income aids in better organization and enhances the clarity of your reports, which will be extremely helpful down the line. Then, proceed by clicking on Amount. This is where you'll input the specific dollar amount of this income. It's essential to double-check your figures for accuracy, as this will be reflected in your financial reports and could impact your year-end results. If your income includes any taxes, you'll need to address this by clicking on Add Included Taxes. Here, you specify how much of the income is taxable. However, if your income doesn't require tax inclusion, feel free to skip this step entirely. Next, click on Show Payment Details to input or confirm more specific information about how this income was received or paid. You might add payment methods or reference numbers here, which become incredibly useful for audit trails or confirmations later on. At this stage, you should double-check all the details you've entered. Once you are satisfied and everything looks perfect, click on Save to finalize the addition of this income into your Freshbooks account. It's a critical step to ensure your data is securely stored and accurately reflected in your records. And there you have it. You've successfully added other income in Freshbooks, ensuring your financial records are comprehensive and up to date. Keeping track of every income source not only helps in generating accurate reports, but also gives better insight into your business health over time. Make sure to periodically review your entries to keep everything tidy and accounted for. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your finances with Freshbooks.